Okay, I will take some.
So today our topic is static electricity. Please do your writing static electricity in the center, as the center. I'm going to share you a video, yeah. And then we discuss. Ini udah belum? Sudah?
Udah, tapi Miss kayaknya nggak bakal cukup Miss di bukuku.
Hah? Di buku satu lembar aja? On your paper, on your book?
Iya, maksudnya satu lembar.
Di kertas, Miss. Nanti aku masukin mapnya.
Yeah. If you do writing on paper, you should put in folder. Jangan dicampur sama yang lain ya. Udah ya? And then I will stop share. Nanti ini hilang tadi tulisannya. I will share a video of this. Sudah bisa lihat videonya?
Bisa.
Oke. Nanti dibaca dan didengarkan ya. Nanti kita discuss.
Jared, welcome to Fun Science Demos. Check this out. How did I do that? What was going on there? Was it magic? No, it was science. What you didn't see me do was rub this straw on this fur and charge it up. Well, what do I mean when I say charge it up? Well, through science, we've discovered that all matter is made of positive and negative charges. And sometimes some of that matter, we can actually rub off only the negative charges. And that allows us to do some really interesting things. Remember, by me rubbing this straw on this fur, I'm putting more negative.
Melek-melek suaranya.
Through science,
Pardon? Putus-putus nggak?
Iya.
Putus-putus.
Nggak putus-putus. Suaranya nggak putus-putus, tapi videonya macet-macet, Miss.
Ya kalau
Dikasih
video
link
memang.
aja.
Ya kalau video memang kayak gitu.
Miss,
Coba
dikasih linknya aja, Miss.
Bentar, ganti ini.
Miss
Oh,
Debbie.
kalau di sekolah wifi-nya malah jelek. Ini pakai kuota sendiri. Ini sudah kuota sendiri.
Miss Debbie.
Ya.
Can you put Orlando in?
Oh, Orlando, where? Oke. Iya, oke.
Orlando. He keeps getting forgotten.
Nggak kelihatan dan. At least you can see what happened, ya. What did happen. Walaupun putus-putus, but it still can understand. Ulang ya.
Only the negative charges. And that allows us to do some really interesting things. Remember, by me rubbing this straw on this fur, I'm putting more negative charges on the straw. And through science, we've discovered that positive and negative charges attract. They come together. Think of it like this. When the charges are different, they want to come together. But when the charges are the same, they want to push apart. And scientists call that static electricity. So now let's take a look at this. So I have a can. And remember, we said that all matter is made of positive and negative charges. This can is not charged, so it's made of positive and negative charges. Now watch what I do here. I'm going to rub this balloon on the same fur that I rubbed the straw on, and it's going to pick up a whole lot of extra negative charges. What do you think is going to happen when I take this
Ya,
balloon
Pranav.
and put it toward the can?
Pranav, do you have any question?
How about like you send the link at the chat and ya supaya
chat
apa
ya?
nggak putus-putus ya.
Oh, at the chat.
Because mine is really like cutting off and I don't really understand what is
Tapi
happening.
udah nggak
Oke,
macet-macet
oke.
di sini.
Oke, nanti sih sebenarnya. Oke, please wait. Ya, apa?
Tadi judul mind mapnya apa? Tadi pas ambil buku belum.
Static
Static electricity.
Static
Boleh
electricity.
keyword aja nggak?
Okay, here is the link. Link in chat.
Oke, Miss, tadi contohnya boleh pakai Word enggak?
Boleh, you can. Yang bisa di sini saja ya.
Will the can push away or will the can roll toward the balloon? Let's take a look and find out. Here we go.
Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Fun Science Demos.
The can shows positive and negative charges. What just happened there? The positive charges on this can were attracted to the lots of negative charges on this balloon. Let's see if we can do that again and see how fast we can get this can going. Maybe race it off the table. Can races with static electricity. So remember, we said all matter is made of positive and negative charges, and that also holds true for liquid matter. Here I have a container of water and I have a cup with a hole punched in the bottom. I'm going to fill this cup with water, hold it up, and let the water drip out the bottom of the cup, and then hold my balloon up to that stream of water. Let's see what happens. Is the water going to be pushed away from the balloon, or is it going to be pulled toward the balloon? So now I'm going to rub the balloon and charge it up with lots of negative charges. Hold up my cup. You can see the water is pulled toward the balloon. So what does that mean? Well, I had a lot of extra negative charges on here. What kind of charges attract? Well, opposite charges attract. So that means this water must have lots of positive charges. So what does that mean? That means as I rub the balloon on the front, charge it with lots of extra negative charges. If that water is pulled toward the balloon, that water must have positive
Lancar
charges.
tidak? How is the video?
Balloons can pick up extra negative charges, but I have to wonder, can other things pick up extra
Aku
negative?
lancar.
To test this out, we have lines of just
So maybe it's
little
depend on
paper
your
called
internet
confetti.
ya.
I have a comb, a plastic fork, and a plastic bat. And instead of using fur, we're going to try using wool, just wool fabric. So let's check it out. Let's start with the comb. Pick the comb up. I'm going to rub the comb on the wool, charging it up with extra negative charges. What do you think is going to happen when I pass it over the torn up pieces of paper? It's kind of jumping onto the comb, but is it really jumping? No. Positive and negative charges attract. It worked okay. Let's try the fork. Charge it up with lots of extra negative charges. Pass the fork over. You can see a few bits of paper are attracted to the negative charges. Now let's try the plastic bat. Charge it up. You can actually hear and see the paper stand on end as I wave it over, and it jumps right onto the bat. It didn't jump. The positive and negative charges were attracted to each other. So finally, take a look at this game that we made up using static electricity. We call it Sharks and Minnows. I have some sharks made of tissue paper hanging from this crate. You could hang them from your desk and let them drape down toward the floor. And then I have a little dish of what I call fish food. It's just the confetti we used in the other demonstration. And then I took the straw we used from the very beginning. I cut out a little styrofoam fish. I take two straws together. Here's the minnow. Here are the sharks. And this is how it works. The fish food goes in here. The idea is you have to charge up the minnow straw, getting lots of extra negative charges on this. And I have to try to get some of the food to be attracted to the minnow without getting eaten by the sharks. As soon as the sharks touch the minnow, I'm out. So let's see if we can do this and reach in. You got me. Let's try over here. Got me. Reach in this way. Static electricity could actually be a fun game. Sharks and Minnows. Sharks and Minnows was
Oke. Siapa yang lancar tadi di situ? Yang lancar siapa di situ?
Tadi lancar, terus agak macet-macet, lancar lagi.
Oke.
Pakai linknya, karena aku mau.
Ya, oke. You can.
macet.
Okay, we can watch by the link. Sudah selesai belum? Di linknya. If you open by link.
Aku belum. Yang aku linknya permainannya sudah yang selesai yang
Sudah.
sama ikannya itu.
If finish, then we discuss. If finish, then we discuss. Yang tadi ini tulisan Miss Debbie jadi hilang ini kalau keluar. Static tadi ya, static electricity atau static is mean doesn't move ya, nggak bergerak. Ini static electricity. What do you see in the video that we can say it is the static electricity?
Kayak bisa narik-narik barang gitu.
Okay, attraction. Bisa narik, ada yang nolak juga tidak? Ada yang mendorong tidak tadi? Ada yang push away? Is there?
Nggak ada.
If there is attract, then attract because of what did he say?
Positive.
Different charge.
Okay, different because this is opposite ya. Let's say this is opposite. Silakan ditulis ya, opposite. Opposite. And then it will repel. Jadi ada attract, ada repel. Kalau ada attract pasti ada repel. It's look like the magnet. It's the same, actually the same concept with magnet. Attract if this is opposite, and then repel atau push away if kalau apa? Push away kalau apa?
Same.
If it is the same. Atau kita bilang like ya. Like itu sama. Nah, apa yang opposite, apa yang like? Atau di sini unlike juga bisa. Kalian mau tulis unlike juga bisa. Ini sama seperti magnet konsep. Like and unlike. Yang senama atau dalam bahasa Indonesia ya, yang senama atau sama itu akan repel atau tolak menolak. Yang berbeda atau unlike atau opposite itu akan attract atau menarik, tarik menarik. So what unlike and what like? Apa yang tidak sama dan apa yang sama? Apa yang membuat dia menjadi repel and attract? Ada apa? Ada apa katanya tadi? Wah, what does belong to what item atau ya? Atau what does belong to the matter? Jadi benda yang tadi itu atau the material has something that can attract and repel. Nah, itu apa? What is that? What we call the material that we see in the video, that we saw in the video.
Electrical.
Pardon? Ada apanya?
Positive.
Nah, positive and negative, that's what we call charge. Silakan ditulis itu namanya charge. Charge dalam kurung positif, koma negatif. Apa lagi ya?
Miss, kita pernah ada nyoba yang sedotan deh.
Oh ya.
Tapi nggak bisa.
Oh ya.
Tak gosok-gosok di baju nggak bisa.
Oke. What kind of clothes? Bajunya apa dulu? Kamu punya sweater nggak? Sweater. Kalau kamu punya sweater itu made from wool. Ada bahan yang namanya wool ya.
Miss.
Ya.
Anduk?
Itu, Miss, yang attract itu tuh yang ditulis tuh apanya ya, Miss?
Dalam kurung apa itu? Unlike
Opposite.
atau bawahnya opposite. Opposite, Bile. Bisa nggak nulisnya opposite, P-nya 2.
Kalau pakai Undo gimana, Miss? Bisa nggak sih yang sedotan?
Handuk itu bukan wool ya, handuk itu katun ya. Sepertinya tidak bisa kalau handuk. Sweater yang bisa ya. Sweater. Atau scarf. Ya, nanti bisa Debbie tunjukkan. Nah, kita tulis dulu ya. Ada yang attract, ada yang repel, ada yang disebut dengan charge, yaitu positif, negatif. And then why do you think it can, kenapa kok bisa tertarik tadi? Karena ada positif negatifnya ya. Kemudian what else that we can see from the video yang disebut static electric itu? Apalagi yang kamu lihat tadi? Does it attach? Apakah dia menempel tadi barangnya? When it is attract or repel? Menempel tidak?
Menempel.
Did he touch the matter? Did he touch the material when it was attract each other? Did he touch? Lihat nggak tadi videonya? Itu didekatkan atau ditempelkan? Nah itu yang pertanyaan Miss Vicky.
Didekatkan.
Didekatkan atau ditempelkan? Kita lihat ya.
Negative charges on this balloon. Let's see if we can do that again and see how fast we can get this can going. Maybe erase it off the table.
Wow. It didn't touch.
Can races with static.
Tadi kelihatan jelas nggak? Lancar nggak? Videonya tadi barusan ini lancar nggak?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. It didn't attach, ya. Kemudian dia punya lagi kayak gini.
But I have to wonder, can other things pick up extra negative charges? So to test this out, we have lines of just torn up little paper called confetti. I have a comb, a plastic fork, and a plastic bat. And instead of using fur, we're going to try using wool.
What did he do?
Fabric. So let's check it out. Let's start with the comb. Pick the
Ngapain
comb
dia?
up. I'm going to rub the comb on
Apa itu dikosokin?
Gosok, rubbing,
extra negative
make a
charges.
friction,
What do you
ya.
think is going to happen when I pass it over the torn up pieces of paper?
Nah, did he touch? Apakah dia menyentuh?
It's kind of
Sisirnya
jumping
menyentuh
off the
kertas
paper.
tidak?
Is it really jumping? No. Positive,
Iya.
negative charges.
No.
It worked out.
Did he touch the paper by the comb? Ditempel atau didekatkan?
Didekatkan.
Charge it up.
So it the
With lots of extra negative
so does the
charges.
fork also.
Pass the fork
Yeah.
over.
It is
You can see a
actually
few bits of paper
close
attracted to the negative
above,
charges.
ya,
Now that
di
you
atas. Kemudian yang pertama tadi apa? The straw.
interesting things.
Did he
Remember,
touch the straw?
rubbing this straw on this fur, I'm putting more negative charges on the straw. And through science, we've discovered that positive and negative charges attract. They come together. Think of it like this. When the charges are different,
Hmm.
they want to come
Did
together.
he touch
When
the
the
straw?
charges are the same, they want to push apart. And scientists call that static electricity.
Nah, tadi dia menyentuh atau tidak? Halo, halo. Can you hear my voice?
Menyentuh.
Menyentuh,
Enggak.
menyentuh atau tidak? Masa nggak kelihatan tadi?
Enggak, Miss.
Kalau menyentuh itu nempel loh ya.
Ya, enggak,
Dia
Miss.
menyentuh atau
Enggak.
mendekatkan tangannya.
Didekatkan.
Didekatkan. And then also the balloon with the can. Balon sama kaleng tadi, the balloon with the can. Did the
Didekatkan.
balloon touch?
Didekatkan.
Didekatkan. So that's what we call induction. Ini yang berikutnya tadi ya. Yang tadi kan di atas sudah ya. Induction. Induction. Kemudian apa lagi? That you can see from the, that you can see, ya. whatever that you can that you may think about the video static electricity effect. Apalagi? Tadi misalnya kita bilang tadi pas waktu lihat videonya. Ada induction, ada charge, positif negatif, ada attract, ada apa lagi tadi? Maybe that.
Repel,
Pardon?
charge. Charge, Mas.
Charge-nya tadi udah ya, charge-nya tadi udah di sini tadi. Charge-nya udah.
Repel,
Pardon?
Repel.
Repel tadi udah di sini tadi yang repel dan attract kan tadi di sini. Repel dan attract. Apa yang repel dan attract? Apa yang saling tarik menarik yaitu charge tadi, ya kan?
Conduction, Miss.
Pardon? Conduction?
Conduction.
Conduction. Coba kita lihat ya, conduction. Conduction sama induction bedanya apa?
I don't know, aku asal.
Oke, it is true. I have yang ada di share di posting di Sekolah Maya itu nanti ada yang tentang conduction. Nah, kalau induction ini close to, boleh ditulis juga close to, didekatkan pada, close to, ya. Ini pisah ya tuh-nya. Tapi kalau conduction itu attach, nempel. Attach. Ditempelkan. Itu conduction. Betul. Conduction ini juga termasuk yang tadi dilakukan. What did he do to make the static electricity? Tadi orangnya tadi melakukan apa? Untuk dia membuat the balloon has static electricity.
ke wall.
Join.
Itu
Ya, itu namanya rubbing. Rubbing. Jadi contoh conduction itu ya tadi, rubbing itu. Silakan ditulis rubbing itu gosok atau friction. Kamu boleh bilang ini friction. Friction.
Di situ yang induction tuh tanda kurung.
Ya, tanda kurung
Close to.
attach.
Yang induction.
Iya, oh induction, close to. Didekatkan pada,
Miss,
Tanda
itu
kurung nggak, Miss?
pardon?
itu frictionnya tuh pakai O, Bu. Itu O ya sebelahnya N.
Ya, iya betul, friction. Friction, T-I ya. I spell in English, T-I-O-N.
masih kurang satu lagi ya, Miss.
Miss, close to it, itu induction-nya kan
Ya.
close to.
Ya, close to.
Itu tanda kurung nggak?
You can. Boleh lah, kasih kurung
Kok?
boleh.
Di situ kok garisnya cuma 5, tadi yang pertama 6.
Oke, tambah lagi satu. What else that you can see? Apalagi ya? Ada charge, ada induction, conduction, rubbing. Apalagi yang kamu lihat tadi?
Game.
Pardon?
Game.
Game,
The can, you mean barangnya? The can.
Miss,
No, I mean the game about the shark.
Pardon? I can't hear clearly.
The shark game.
Oh, the shark game. That is the game. That's actually also attract. Itu kan tadi straw-nya, ya, itu menarik the shark, menarik gamenya hiu tadi, menarik. That is the attract, bukan yang repel.
Miss, kalau balon itu percobaan yang balon.
Yang
Itu
boleh
katanya usahain rambut bisa ya?
Yes, it can. Bisa. Makanya apalagi yang bisa kalian lihat dari yang namanya static electricity ini. Ada charge, ini ada menolak, ada menarik, ada
Kalau
menggosok.
kalau rambutnya ketarik itu gimana, Miss? Rambutnya ketarik dengan balon.
Nah, why the hair can attract by the balloon ya? Kamu pernah mungkin ya Why the balloon can attract by the hair can attract by the balloon? Kenapa terus rambut-rambutmu itu bisa berdiri gitu kan? Ya, because the charge tadi charge-nya ada apa? Positif and negatif. Karena ya, the balloon has more charge. Karena balonnya punya apa? Balonnya punya negatif yang banyak. But before the balloon, sekarang Miss Debbie tanya dulu. Before the balloon, sebelum balonnya narik atau menarik tadi yang kaleng atau menarik rambutmu, sebelum balonnya menarik, ya, what does he do atau what we have to do? Sebelum balonnya menarik rambut atau menarik kertas, ya kan?
Gesekkan, Miss.
Ya, digesekkan. Nih, contoh ya. All matter in the beginning, ini kan nggak ada apa-apa nih. Ya kan? Nggak ada apa-apa kan? Kemudian juga this one. Nggak ada apa-apa kan? It cannot attract anything. Right?
Yes.
So all matter is netral. Jadi mula-mula semua barang itu netral sifatnya. Netral means zero. Artinya the charge is zero. Charge itu muatan ya. Kalau kalian bilang aku mau nge-charge dulu, nge-charge pakai apa? Pakai charger, ya kan?
Iya.
Itu artinya kamu mengisi elektron, mengisi muatan. Nah, how this balloon can attract? This is also because ya, the electron atau the charge yang negatif tadi ya, diisi atau mengisi from this cloth to the balloon. Jadi kalau ini nggak diapa-apain, ini biasa aja nih, it's all netral, zero. But when you rub, tapi waktu kamu udah rub,
Miss share screen kamera aja. Pencet share screen terus yang kamera kalau nggak salah nanti share screen kameranya Miss. Kalau nggak salah.
Kenapa harus Miss Debbie sudah kelihatan jelas belum di situ?
Ya jelas tapi kecil gitu.
Kamu pakai apa, HP ya?
Kok bisa kecil sih? Ini sudah dipin nih.
Dipin
Kalian?
aja Miss Debbie-nya.
Sudah dipin. Miss Debbie sudah pin. Apakah belum kelihatan?
Dipin udah kok, Miss.
Udah kan ya?
Udah.
Ini kan stop share. Miss Debbie udah pin. Udah kelihatan? I'm big.
Oke.
Oke ya. Nih, mula-mula semua netral. Remember. Remember ya. All matter is netral. Netral means zero. Ya. Sekarang diberikan charge tadi seperti kalian charge the battery, charge the laptop, charge the handphone. So you give the charge. Kamu kasih dia. Kamu kasih muatan yaitu negatif. Then I give from this cloth. Jadi mau kasih negatifnya charging nih, sedang charging. Charging from the cloth to the balloon. I rub it. Tadi agak kencang ya. Let's see. Udah bisa hasil.
Gosoin pakai rambut bisa nggak sih, Miss? Charge.
Can you see that?
Yes.
2.
Miss, tapi balonnya isinya angin apa aja bisa ya, Miss?
Kalau pakai air tuh bisa nggak sih kalau ada airnya?
What if it was filled with helium?
You have to rock it in the right direction.
Sama pakai
One
pompa
direction ya. Nih gini aja. Gampang kok. Tuh, it spread everywhere. It spread everywhere tuh. Tuh, dia udah naik-naik tuh.
How about your hair,
See
Miss?
that?
Miss, yang terakhir ini tuh apa ya, Miss?
Nah, can you see that?
Yes.
Nah, so actually, kenapa kayak gini? Because the balloon now is not neutral anymore. Balonnya udah nggak netral lagi. Because you give charge from you give charge from
From the wall?
From the wall. Charge-nya yang mana? Yang positif atau yang negatif?
Miss. Ya yang negatif.
Yang negatif. Why the negative can move from the cloth to the balloon? Kenapa semuanya itu bisa narik-narik? Kenapa? Karena only electron, only negative can transfer. Only negative can move. Yang positif tuh nggak bergerak. Negative can move. But the positive atom is stable. Sekarang this one. Tadi siapa yang bilang belum berhasil? Pakai sedotan.
Me?
Nah, maybe because just like this. Yang satu ini thick, yang satu ini thin. And this is like the boba-boba straw ya.
Yes.
A little bit heavy, but this one is light. Ya, ini yang kayak sedotan bengkok tuh loh. Ya. So no matter this one, it's only for stand. But this thing is really depend on the material. Ini benar-benar tergantung dari bahanmu apa ya. Misalnya kalau yang boba-boba ini kan besar dan dia tebal ya. It cannot move. I also did this morning, it cannot move. Tapi yang ini bergerak. Bahkan sangat panjang.
Charge-nya bisa pakai rambut, Miss. Digosok rambut.
Let's see ya. Coba ya kalau pakai rambut. Bisa nggak? Sebab tadi Miss Debbie pakai wall. Do you have straw at home? Kamu punya nggak di rumah?
Punya?
Aku nggak punya sedotan.
Coba, ini kan cuma bekas aja.
Miss, mind map yang terakhir itu apa, Miss?
Hey, I think it can. With hair. Nih. Look. Tadi nggak kelihatan. Lagi ya.
Kelihatan, Miss, sedotannya tidak gerak.
Can you see that?
Yes, I can see it.
Kelihatan,
It's
Miss.
fun. It's fun. Coba di rumah ya. It's fun. Nah, kuncinya memang sedotan ini harus ringan. And also that paper, ini papernya ini seperti origami juga atau kertas roti. Yang sering bikin kue di rumah ada yang namanya kertas roti ya. Baking paper itu kan tipis ya. So you cut in piece. Ya. Kemudian this cloth also has to be wool atau silk, sutra. Nggak boleh bahan lain, nggak bisa. Cotton nggak bisa seperti kaos. Kaos ini nggak bisa juga kayaknya. Nah, so your hair and also your clothes. Jadi intinya the material can give the electron to other material. So the material can move. Jadi yang terakhir, strip yang terakhir tadi adalah, tadi ada 6 kan bilangnya ya. Nah, balik lagi ya. Jadi strip yang terakhir, kasih satu lagi, katanya ada 6 tadi. Satu lagi adalah elektron charge.
Kalau jari bisa nggak, Miss?
Charge
Digosok.
can move, can transfer. Ini bisa kelihatan nggak? Tulisan Miss Debbie kelihatan nggak?
Kelihatan.
Oke, electron charge, elektron itu yang negatif ya. Electron charge can Electron charge can transfer.
Miss, kok nge-lag?
Oh, putus-putus. Can you see my screen?
Iya,
Tulisannya?
iya. Kelihatan.
Ikuti aja. Ikuti.
Miss,
Ya.
yang lainnya apa, Miss? Aku lupa.
Ada
Bukan. Ya,
attract,
tadi.
opposite, reply.
Oh, did you not? You didn't write from the beginning, or what?
I was writing, but it got deleted.
Ah, because I stopped share and then all delayed. Yeah. But
No,
before
I
start from the beginning, just like the chart.
I already write Edward, but I forgot to save and I clicked the X button. So everything
Can you
was
please ask from your friend after this, yeah? Because I still have to continue my lesson.
Miss, like this.
Nanti lihat di sekolah Maya.
Nanti ada recordingnya juga. Start from the beginning tadi, ya? Karena kalau menunggu kamu nanti jadi lama lagi, so they wait for you nanti.
Udah selesai, Miss.
Oke, udah tadi ya, the electron can transfer. Sekarang Miss Debbie give you the simulator. I have 3 simulator. Ini, this one. Now I have the first for you. You can ask for the approval to remote control, then you can do by yourself. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Ya, nah ini mula-mula in the beginning all matter has the same charge. Jadi mula-mula always setiap barang itu plus and minusnya the same. Example ya, can you count the left hand charge? Ini kiri apa kanan nih kalau dari kalian? Yang ini, yang kanan ini. Yang kiri ya. Nanti Halbert nanti sebentar. Miss Debbie explain to you. Miss Debbie wants you to count how many positive, how many negative on this left hand. Ini nih yang sebelah kiri ini berapa positif, berapa negatif. Yuk.
10, 10, 10.
10 plus 10 minus. If we add it, plus 10 and minus 10, what is the result? Hasilnya berapa?
0.
0. That's what we call neutral. Karena itu Miss Debbie bilang tadi semua barang itu netral. Mula-mula nggak ada apa-apa, nggak tarik-tarikan. Because all neutral. Ya. So this is also the same in the middle and on the right side. All the same neutral. Kalau nggak percaya, hitung aja sendiri. Semua berpasangan, lihat. Iya kan? Semua berpasangan. So plus minus, plus minus. Plus 1 minus 1, 0. Plus 1 minus 1, 0. Can you understand that?
Yes.
Ya, ya, that is the basic concept of the static electricity. Jadi mula-mula itu semua netral. And how about the balloon? How about the balloon? It is also jadi gimana? Neutral. Can you count that? Plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1. You remember the negative number, right? Plus 1.
Miss, ini belum ada di sekolah Maya ya?
Yang ini belum ada linknya. Kalau plus 1 minus 1 become
0.
0 ya. Okay. Now, what will happen if I close this balloon to the code?
Nothing happened.
Kamu gerakan lagi ini.
All of the minus became so many.
It swept all the negative. So where does the negative goes to?
Balloon.
Goes to the balloon. Because the positive is stabil. The positive itu stabil. Atom, we call atom, negative and positive. But the negative, yeah, but the negative always shaking and transfer. Jadi dia tuh cukup suka jalan-jalan si negatifnya itu. Ya. Let me share the other. Yang ini. Look at this. Look at the negative atom. Itu lihat, itu namanya atom ya. Atom-atom atau charge tadi, charge. Muatan negatif, dia shaking. Dia selalu bergerak. And then what happen if I have the balloon that has charging? Tadi ini udah di charge. Balonnya kenapa jadi negatif ya? Let's see from the beginning. Diapain ini?
Digosok.
Digosok, rubbing, and then make the electron goes from the sweater to the balloon, right? Ya, and then what happen if I make the metal, ini logam. Ada dua logam yang tadinya mula-mula berapa net? Muatannya berapa?
Plus.
Ya, plus all the negative and the positive has the same means neutral. Jadi mula-mula ini logamnya ini dua-duanya netral, nol. Jadi kasih mendekatkan ya, induction. Look, they all shaking ya, the negative. And then if I close this balloon to the metal, apa yang terjadi? Where does the negative of the metal goes to? Tadinya kan gini, spread everywhere, right? Spread along the metal. Tersebar di sepanjang logamnya. Terus kalau didekatkan?
Nanti jadi ke kiri semua.
Ya, why? Tadi ada kata repel, ada kata attract. Ada kata menolak, ada kata menarik. Seperti di magnet tadi, seperti konsepnya sama dengan magnet. Yang sama akan attract or repel. Repel, menolak. Yang tidak sama akan menarik. Kamu sudah belajar magnet kan? Halo? Sudah. Kutub yang sama akan? Halo?
Ya.
Kutub yang sama?
Tolak-menolak.
Tolak-menolak. Ini menjauh apa enggak nih? Dia negatif.
Menjauh.
Kan?
Menjauh.
Menjauh, and then where does it goes to? Nah, kalau Miss Debbie tempel atau Miss Debbie tempel malah lebih tidak stabil dia ya. Pindah-pindah. Miss Debbie dekatkan lagi nih, dorong the negative. Push the negative away. Push. Where does this goes to? Terus kemana dia nanti nih? Dia shaking. Lama-lama dia kemana nih? Nah. Take a look. Sekarang jadi berapa?
-9 sama +9.
Oh, pindah-pindah lagi. Now -8 plus 8. Pindah dari mana ke mana itu tadi?
Dari kiri ke kanan.
Ya, tadinya kan -9. -9 pindah 1 ke sini. Ya, tadinya -9 jadi +8. Sekarang pindah lagi, lihat. So it's all just moving. Pindah-pindah terus dia negatifnya. If you close, kalau kamu dekatkan. Ya, because the negative attract the positive. Karena yang negatif itu kan pengennya narik. Ya. Jadi dia pengennya narik. Ini kalau ini sudah kelebihan 7, yang ini kelebihan positif. Sekarang kalau kita kalau jauh it won't happen anything. Tapi kalau dekat, induction or nempel nih. Nempel ya. Pasti dia sudah pindah-pindah. Tuh. Nanti jadi berapa? Ini conduction, ini induction. Ini the balloon just support to move the electron. Pindah lagi. Would you like to try? Tadi Halbetan.
Oh.
Nah, Halbet mana Halbet? Mana approve-nya? Nah, oke. Silakan.
I want to try also, Miss.
Yes, you can ask. Pindahkan dulu, didekatkan. Ya.
I want to try to.
And you can support, nggak usah nempel lah. Nanti tambah gak stabil. Ya, ditambah dengan balonnya. The balloon push away the negative. Maka yang bawah there will be more negative. Ya. Ada lagi Habet. I want you to share this. I want you to try this. Coba Habet lagi.
Pilih.
I want to try.
Nanti
Pilih.
I want to try.
Pilih.
lagi ya. Kalau ini
Pilih.
mau nggak? Coba. Sebentar, Habet.
Oh my god, what is that?
Ya, you can click on the office. Rana,
Gimana?
here.
Oh ya. Oh ngerti aku. Jadi ini suruh digosok-gosokin gitu.
It's friction from the bottom. Dari kakinya. Gesek.
Terus nanti pintunya bisa kebuka.
No. It just said that the electron will go. Ya. The electron can go. The electron can transfer from the hand, from the finger to the holder metal. Karena itu kan metal kan dia. Holder metal. Nah, tapi kalau menjauh ya tidak bisa. Just try it. If you far away. Bisa nggak dia lompatnya kejauhan? Nggak bisa.
Coba sampai penuh.
Nggak bisa.
Let's
Nggak bisa terlalu jauh.
Kayaknya
This is- yeah, that's why we call induction. Induction.
It's
Induction
going
itu
to
kan
be
dekat. Dekat.
sampai penuh.
Dah.
He's going
Ada
to
lagi yang tadi, yang balon tadi.
Aku mau nyoba.
Ya, ya. Kalau mau
Aku mau
nyoba,
nyoba.
bentar.
Can I try, Miss?
Lagnya udah gak bisa lagi.
Ya, ini mau dibuka dulu simulatornya.
I want to try.
Which one should I, Miss? Can I try one, Miss?
Ya, sure. So where is your...
Yay.
Ini Miss Ebi buka lagi.
Nyoba.
Nah,
Siapa yang minta ya?
Pilih.
I want to try this.
Pilih.
Miss, ini kan tinggal main-main. Aku live dulu boleh nggak?
Oh, why?
Miss,
Ada.
can I try? Okay, let me just
Pilih.
request.
Boleh nggak?
Yes, you can.
Miss, aku juga live ya, Miss. Soalnya laptopnya mau dipakai adikku, Miss.
Ya, sure.
Thank you, Miss.
Ini ya.
I want to try. I want to try.
Ya, siapa yang minta? Mana
Pilih.
approve-nya mana?
Pilih. Pilih.
Minta dulu. Nah, Bile ya.
Meow.
Nah, Bile. Sebentar. Ulangi, Bile.
Hah? Oke.
Reset.
Reset. Oh,
Ya,
sorry.
reset. Oke, good. Udah selesai kok ini? Oh, masih kurang 1 menit kok.
Can I try, Miss?
Ya, sure. Mana? Minta approve dulu. Mau yang mana?
Miss, aku live ya, Miss. Ini baterainya
Oke,
mau
you
habis. Mau
Ya.
habis.
Balon. Yang
Boleh,
balon
kalau udah
sama
selesai
luka.
boleh. Nggak ada assignment. Siapa lagi?
Can I try, Miss?
Ya, you ask for approve.
Gimana cara?
Okay.
Dah, done.
Okay, Miss.
First is reset the balloon. First reset the balloon. Reset dulu Chantal. Nah,
Okay, got
no
it.
neutral in the beginning.
All right. Balloon.
It will back again to the clothes, yeah.
It's rejecting it.
Yeah. It also, yeah.
It's like, nope, you're
Rejecting,
not going to,
yeah.
you're not allowed here.
They move away each other because they're all the same, right? Like chores. But with the clothes,
I learned about this once.
try with the cloth.
on a
Try with the
TV
cloth.
show.
It will close. Try with the cloth. Close to the cloth. Just leave it. Leave it. Nah, it will directly attract, right? Yeah, attract because all the positive in the cloth and negative attract the positive. It will always back to the cloth. Just leave it, and then it will back to the cloth. See? Yeah? That's what we call charge, negative and positive, attract each other. It is also called,
It's not doing anything. It's
Yeah.
just still there.
yeah. Okay, done? Everybody? Tanta, I will take my, yeah.
Okay, let me just. Okay, there we go.
Kalau yang tadi ini, you can try like this. And then move this finger to the metal. Move the finger to the metal. The electron will jump. Yeah. You cannot see with your naked eye. But if the metal has the electricity energy, then he will get the electric shock.